Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for March 20th to April 3rd. Before I get to the forecast, currently we have a storm system moving through the south. We have numerous flood warnings, tornado watches and warnings out. We're looking here at the area of Mississippi and Alabama. We have a this is a tornado warning. It's in effect for southeastern Ouachita County and southwestern Alabama, northeastern Lake County, and southeastern Alabama. And it's in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, probably within the next half hour or so. It'll be over. But we have numerous storms moving through here. Here's a radial velocities displayed here, and I'm looking for storm reports or so. Let me see what else I can show. I'm looking for weather observation in that area, but we have several storms moving through this area. So now we're going to get to the forecast. Just want to mention that. We're going to look at the period now for March 20th to 24th, and we still are forecasting a ridge near the Aleutians, trough here over western North America, and a ridge over southeast Canada. This is as we go through the days. Let me see, we go through the period. You can see it right here, a ridge here, nearly zonal flow, and the western trough will cause favorable conditions for increased precipitation in the west, and we'll take a look at that right now. We go here to the 20th. Here's the first system bringing valley rains and mountain snows, and then we have the next one moving in later in the period. It looks to be much weaker, and also very interesting things happening along the southeast coast. Energy could develop a low near the southeast coast. You see it here on the models. This is the GFS. European deterministics will go by this one. And water temperatures are very warm in this area. And there is a chance, however small, that a subtropical storm could form, or a mixed tropical and non-tropical characteristics. With high pressure to the north of the storm will generate strong easterly flow and cause high waves, gusty winds, and clouds across the southeast coast Sunday into Monday. So here we are at Monday. We'll look at Sunday. Here's a system of interest, you could say. And we have to see how this develops. But overall, it's forecast to lift out, move away from the region. And then, another thing, the MJO, which I don't have, is strong in the Western Atlantic during this period, also favoring this storm development. Okay, we're going to look at the period from March 25th to 29th. March 25th to 29th. And a ridge is forecast near the Aleutians to off the west coast. A trough covers the west central states. You can see it here. And a ridge is over eastern Canada and the northeast. Modeling pretty good agreement on this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting numbers of 48 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast with anomalies of 48 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for this area here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Looking at the period from March 30th to April 3rd. We'll go push this ahead. Overall expected nearly zonal flow across the country with a trough in the west and a ridge in the east. Models are displaying some differences in the strength and the height anomaly fields. You can see on the amplitude of the flow, which the NAEFS has been consistently forecasting a zone of flow with near to above normal heights across the country. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for this area, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures of forecast for this region with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for the northern mid-Atlantic region and the Northeast. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. Once again, we'll take a look at this radar. We have several storms occurring in this region. If you're in one of these areas, seek shelter. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 3rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Mullins World of Weather, and have a good day.